The traditional market of Venice usually refers to the Rialto Market, Mercato di Rialto, the city's oldest and most famous public market. It's one of the best places to experience everyday Venetian life beyond the tourist landmarks. Location near the Rialto Bridge, in the San Polo district. Venice's main fresh food market for locals for nearly 1,000 years. Lively, colorful, noisy, and unmistakably authentic, especially in the morning. The Rialto area has been Venice's commercial heart since around the 11th century. Because of its central location on the Grand Canal, it became the natural hub for trade in fish, fruits, vegetables, spices, and goods arriving from across the Mediterranean and beyond. Even today, many Venetian families and restaurant owners shop here daily. Pescheria, fish market. Extremely fresh seafood brought in daily from the Venetian lagoon and Adriatic Sea. You'll see soft-shell crabs, moche, in season. Cuttlefish, squid, sardines, sea bass, and clams. Vendors often explain what's in season and how it's traditionally cooked. Erbria, fruit and vegetable market. Seasonal produce displayed beautifully. Local specialties like radicchio from Treviso, artichokes from San Erasmo Island, cherries, figs, and citrus depending on the season. Nearby shops around the market are small stores selling cheeses and cured meats, fresh pasta and polenta, spices, oils, and Venetian wine. Best time early morning, 7:30 to 10 a.m. Days open Monday to Saturday, most stalls close by early afternoon. Sunday, closed. Morning visits are best for seeing the market in full swing and avoiding crowds. Why it's special. It's a working market, not a tourist setup. Vendors speak Venetian dialect and know their customers. You get a real sense of Venice as a living city, not just a museum. Tips for visitors. Go early, then enjoy cicchetti, Venetian tapas, and the spritz at nearby wine bars. Don't touch produce unless invited. Vendors will hand it to you. Photography is usually fine, but be respectful. Even if you're not buying, it's worth walking through for the experience. We hope you enjoy all kinds of food and drinks, as well as all the daily necessities sold around the traditional market, Venice, Italy.
Ciao Christine, for you guys, pistachio hazelnut or caramel? Eccolo qua. Pistachio avena caramello.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.